Hi everyone and welcome to the Nasal Injury Repair Risks and Complications page. I'm Dr. Colin Hong and I'd like to take a moment to help you understand what to expect. Nasal injury repair is often performed to restore both the appearance and function of the nose after trauma. Many patients experience a meaningful improvement, but as with any surgery, it's important to be aware of the risks, which may include nasal airway obstruction, septal perforation, need for hardware or future surgical adjustments, infection or bleeding, scarring or changes in skin sensation, shape irregularities or asymmetry, delayed healing or unsatisfactory cosmetic outcome. There are also rare but serious risks, including anesthesia-related complications and longer-term changes in nasal function or appearance. Please read this page carefully and review the full document on our informed consent page for complete details. Understanding these risks helps ensure realistic expectations and better results. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to me or my qualified team. We're here for you.